Since Brian and Andrew both said on Snack that they won't be able to join, looks like it. Okay, we have Matthew now. Hey Matthew, and we're just beginning, so please sign on the Google Doc, and we can start. And actually, we don't have existing agenda here, but let me copy a few of the previous ones. I mean,
Sorry, actually, I'm very curious about our website application. Not sure about the progress of the website apply and build the content of that website.
for the domain, I think Brian is trying to apply for it.
Yes, I think
Yeah,
we can discuss this in the chat
yeah,
or in the Slack channel.
yeah. We can follow up there.
Yes.
I can take the role of taking notes on the call, but I don't see anything else on the agenda. So if anything comes up, I'll note it down, but otherwise, yeah, don't know.
Thank you. And also for the community membership definition, I haven't sent the PR yet. Actually, I created the community repository for the for ModelPack, and I have an initial PR for it. I would like folks to review that one first, then I'll send further update on the additional materials. Let me paste the link here.
Cool, looks good. I'll take a look at that.
Thank you. And with that merged, we should be able to just point to the similar documents in ModelPack and the model control repository to the community one. But we need to get that one in first, and then we can also build up the community membership definition and lenders, things like that. And also, I know Andrew has been working on the getting started document. Is there anyone? Does anyone have anyone looked at his document? This one I also pasted in the chat window. Since right now we have a GitHub action to push Tier 1 models to the a Tier 1 model to the GitHub GCR registry, so that can be used to be used for the getting started document, I believe. But, I think right now the getting started document is still developing, I believe. We can maybe we can work on it together. Let's see this also brings this to stack and see how Andrew thinks about it.
Yeah. Also, I think I saw in the Slack that there is a GitHub action that's pushing artifacts through modctl. Do you have a link for that as well, so I can add it to the chart? I don't think I saw it in a previous session.
Okay, I can show that one. You mean the action link or just the action YAML? Okay, it's here. Yeah. Anyway.
Is it just an action in the modctl repo, or is it?
Yeah. Yes, it's an action in the
I see.
ModelCTL repo.
Okay. We could consider turning that into something that is reusable as a GitHub action.
Yes.
That
Actually,
might be interesting.
it is a GitHub action right now, but it only tries to download a small model from Hugging Face and convert it to ModelPack format and push it to GHCR right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's a simple end-to-end test actually for model control. We can further make it more useful and maybe convert more models so that folks can start trying to download and run models from GHCR. No. The pushed model will be available in the package in the packages tab of the repository. So pasted link here. Sorry, it's not GCR, it's GHCR, it's GitHub Container Registry.
Sorry, yes, I misheard.
I mean here, let me edit it.
Yeah.
GHCR.
Yes, yeah. That's the ghcr.io, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, it's nice too. It's nice to collect updates on the project in these meetings as well, because I try to follow the Slack channel, but I do miss some stuff. So it's nice to just have a rundown of what's kind of happened in the last couple of weeks.
Mm. And also, like I think we've mentioned it in previous meeting, one of the previous meetings, that we have a model CSI, actually ModelPack CSI running in our production environment, and we've gone through the open source process for it, and we are ready to push it out for the community to view and develop based on it. So I would like to ask for folks' opinion that we just create a new repo and push the code out. The code is
I think
is
so.
ready actually.
Yeah, yeah, I think so, especially if it's going to be donated to the project. Someone like Brad or Gorka might know more about the actual process around CNCF and the managing the open source sort of intellectual property of it all. I'm not too familiar with that, but we can. It's great to add more sort of examples of it in use. So I think it would be great to include.
Yeah, because with that, it actually creates another path other than the container runtime volumes, putting the models path that which we certainly would like to have, but it takes time for especially for the container D to adopt this technology. But with standard non-model CSI, we should be able to just make it work for most of the use cases. Then because it's just a standard CSI, and users can write YAML with the CSI driver and volume, then the model will be put down with model control and be mounted and the volume to the container. It's actually the one we've been using in production right now, so it's pretty stable and useful and simple actually to so hopefully with that we can have a end-to-end user scenario and your story that how users can actually pull down models from Hugging Face, build it with model control and push it to Harbor registry or some cloud registry and run with Kubernetes model CSI and their inference workload. So we can have actually run through workflow with this.
Yeah, that sounds very interesting. Actually, I'd love to take a look at that when it becomes open source.
Yeah, surely. We
Yeah,
once there's a repo for it, we can push the code out.
yeah, it completes the story. And as far as the code contribution goes, it's coming from you. So I'm assuming that you do have permission from your employee to contribute it, and you're already a committer on the project. So I don't see any issues of you making that contribution to the project.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
guessing that that's
I
going to
think so,
be
yeah.
under Apache license, right?
Oh no, I believe no. Actually, we are open sourcing it with just Apache. Yes, sorry,
Yeah.
not
Okay.
private.
So
Yeah, just Apache. Yeah.
no problems. So yeah, go ahead when just create a repo, do the contribution. I'm also agree with Angel. It's an exciting thing to look at.
With that said, actually, Emma said, are there any other topics from folks?
Yeah, not a lot on my end. So if anything else comes up, great. Otherwise, I think we have. I think this is a good update. So I think this is a fine place to close it if there's nothing else to discuss.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, by the way, I would like to ask, are you folks going to KubeCon NA in November?
I think we are currently, on our end, I think we're currently planning on going. Yeah.
Agreed.
Yeah, I just saw this morning that the ModelPack project also has a booth at the open source section of the conference, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. There will be let's not call it a booth.
Yeah, it's more of a small stand and a poster, but
Let's call it a pedestal.
Anyway, actually, at his store we have a spot.
Yeah, there will be a sign that says something and then in the screen or something. That's basically it.
yeah. Do we know if it's like because we were at KubeCon EU as well, and those pedestals weren't, you had a time slot if you had one, so it wasn't for the full conference. It was for, I think, a few hours, and then it cycled over to some other project because there are so many CNCF projects. Is that the case for KubeCon or for KubeCon NA?
I'm not sure, but I think so. Because for sandbox project, we only have limited hours in the
Yes,
market,
yeah.
and we have to shift.
Yeah, I'm thinking because me and Gorkum will be there, but we will have other obligations. I think our other project, KidOps, is also supposed to have a pedestal. But if the
Yeah, that's
times
true.
don't overlap, we could potentially man the ModelPack one as well if no one else is available.
Yeah, we will have a few folks present in the in KubeCon NA as well, so
Oh, great,
we'll
fantastic. Yeah,
be there as well.
in
Yeah.
that case, then I look forward to meeting some of you in person.
Yeah. Me too. Me too. Yeah. Hopefully we can see each other face to face.
Mhm.
And beers. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
or peaches, since it's Atlanta. Peach schnapps. Is that a thing?
Yes. Might be, yeah.
Okay, if we don't have other topics, let's call it today and have a nice day, everyone.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Have a nice rest of your day or evening, depending on whatever time zone you're in. And yeah, I'll talk to you all in 2 weeks.
Yeah, talk to you in the next meeting. See you. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye all.